Friends, welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to talk about reduce function in JavaScript, which we use to loop over an array and get a single value. So let us first declare and list how to call reduce function. It's very simple. Just list dot reduce. This is the function which we are going to use and which we are going to learn. The first parameter is a callback function, and the second parameter is the initial value. Initial value is a simple number from which we are going to begin. For example, 0. So what are the parameters of callback function? First parameter is previous value. The second parameter is current value. The third parameter is the index, and the fourth parameter is our whole array. This value begins from this value, and after that whatever value we return from this becomes the previous value. And what is this current value? Current value is when we loop over the array, in each iteration what is the current value. For example, 1, 2, 3. Index is just the index of the current value, and this list.reduce function returns a single value. I'll store that in out variable, and I'll log this out variable in the bottom. So first of all, I'm not going to do anything. I'm just going to return a single value 1. Let's see what out has. If run this code, out has 1. Let's log each of this variable one by one and see what they are. I'm going to log this previous value. I'm going to run it. So initially, as we have passed 0, the initial value is 0. Then we are returning 1 from this. So the initial value is becoming 1. Let's log current value. So the current value is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the output. So the current value is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, which means the current value represents the current element in the array. Let's log this index. It's very simple to understand. The indexes of the values 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and the array. This is the array. So let us understand one example how we can find out sum of all the elements in an array. So for this we are going to start from 0. Then we are going to return previous value plus the current value. What we get as an output? So it's 15. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 is at the end 15. So this thing, the previous value is initially 0. I'll do and walk through here. The previous value was initially 0. And the current value will be 1. Then what happens? We are returning previous plus current. So once we return this, what we are returning here? 1. Then our previous value becomes 1. Our current value becomes the second element of the array. So it will be 2. So what we are returning? This. So at the end, what we are returning? 1 plus 2, which is 3. So like this, we are looping over the array, and at the end, we are getting out. So I hope you understand this reduce function. It's very simple.